In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write prompts for Asana AI Studio. First, open Asana and head to the login page. Choose Continue with Google. Then select your Google account to sign in. This gets you into your workspace quickly so you can start working with the AI without extra setup. Once you're in, go to My Tasks. This view anchors you in your personal work hub and gives Asana AI clear context about what you're responsible for. Having your tasks front and center helps the AI tailor its suggestions to the work that matters most to you. Next, open Chat with Asana AI. This is the conversational space where you'll craft and refine prompts. Think of it as your co-pilot for planning, writing, and organizing. You'll type requests here, and the AI will suggest follow-ups and actions based on what you ask. Now, type your prompt. Be clear and specific about your goal, the audience, and the format you want. Include any constraints like deadlines, scope, or tone. If you're asking for help with a plan, mention the time frame and key deliverables. For example, draft a 2-week launch plan for our new feature with milestones, owners, and due dates formatted as tasks and subtasks. The more precise your context, the better the results. When you've written it, send it, then give the AI a moment to generate its response. Read it fully before you decide what to do next. When the AI suggests next steps, click the option that best matches your intent. These suggestions often include quick refinements, links to create tasks or projects, or ways to adjust structure and tone. Use them to move from a rough idea to something actionable in Asana with fewer edits. If you see an AI-generated request that goes deeper, click it to continue refining. Again, pause to let the AI produce the updated output and review what changed. This is your chance to tighten requirements, ask for clearer sections, add acceptance criteria, specify owners, or include due dates and dependencies. Keep following the next AI-generated request when it aligns with your goal. Each click guides the conversation toward a more polished brief, plan, or task structure. If a suggestion isn't quite right, adjust your prompt with a short correction rather than starting over. Small, targeted edits usually produce faster improvements. Continue this iterative loop. Type, review, click the suggested next step until you're satisfied with the project or content the AI has helped you build. When the output matches your intent, you're done. That's how you write effective prompts in Asana AI Studio and turn ideas into well-structured, actionable work.